The rain tapped against the old cafe window as Mira sat alone, staring at the steam rising from her untouched coffee. Her life felt stuck routine, predictable, until a stranger walked in. His coat was soaked, his eyes intense, yet calm. He asked politely if he could share her table since the cafe was full. She hesitated, then nodded as they spoke. She felt her guard slipping. His words carried warmth and mystery. He spoke of forgotten places, distant travels, and dreams he refused to give up. Mira found herself laughing, something she hadn't done in months. Hours passed unnoticed. When the storm finally ended, he stood and smiled, leaving behind a small book. Inside, a note. Sometimes the right people appear in the storm, not the sunshine. Don't stop searching. Amira's heart raced, knowing her life had just changed forever.